Clinching the Bolt by Edgar Guest, 1881 to 1959. It needed just an extra turn to make the bolt secure. A few more minutes on the job and then the work was sure. But he begrudged the extra turn, and when the task was through, the man was back for more repairs in just a day or two. Two men there are in every place, and one is only fair. The other gives the extra turn to every bolt that's fair. One man is slipshod in his work and eager to be quit. The other never leaves a task until he's sure of it. The difference twixt good and bad is not so very much. A few more minutes at the task, an extra turn or touch. A final test that all is right, and yet the men are few who seem to think it worth their while these extra things to do. The poor man knows as well as does the good man how to work. But one takes pride in every task, the other likes to shirk. With just as little as he can, one seeks his pay to earn. The good man always gives the bolt that clinching extra turn. Okay, this is a poem by Edgar Guest. Let's see, Edgar Guest was born in Birmingham, and he moved to Detroit in Michigan in the United States when he was 10 years old. Then he got a job shortly afterwards with the Detroit Free Press as a copy boy, and he worked for the Detroit Free Press for the next 40 years. He wrote these optimistic poems, sentimental, optimistic, upbeat, moral things to help people, to tell people what they should be doing. And this poem is very typical of Edgar Guest. Let's see. He first published a poem, I think, when he was 17, or probably still 16, and he then published poems on poems in the newspapers for decades. So, clinching the bolt, this is making sure that the bolt is tight, making sure the bolt doesn't come off. This poem is about going the extra mile. It's doing the extra bit. It's not doing only what's been asked of you, but doing things right, making sure you've done things properly. And in this case, the metaphor is there's a bolt and you need to give it just an extra turn. And if you don't give it that extra turn, then very quickly it comes out. And this is about people who make sure that the bolt has the extra turn, people who go the extra mile, who do the extra bit in order to make sure that their job is done properly. So it needed just an extra turn to make the bolt secure. A few more minutes on the job and then the work was sure. So we've got this bolt, and this bolt needed just an extra turn, just a little bit more work. And then the job was properly done. Then the job would be properly done. But he begrudged the extra turn, and when the task was through, the man was back for more repairs in just a day or two. But the worker, he didn't want to do the extra work. This was extra work. This was more than he'd been paid for. Yeah, he didn't want to do it. He begrudged this extra turn. He didn't like the idea of doing it. And afterwards, he gave this back to the owner, and the owner was came back again 1 or 2 days later for more repairs, because clearly this extra turn of the bolt kept everything together, and hadn't had it. 2 men there are in every place, and one is only fair. The other gives the extra turn to every bolt that's there. So in all of us, in every place, or in all types of work, there are 2 different people. There's the one who is okay, he does his job, he does what he's supposed to do. But there's the other one who goes the extra mile, who gives that extra turn to every single bolt that's there. He makes sure things are done properly. And he takes pride in his work. And this is the idea of this poem, is about taking pride in your work. One man is slipshod in his work and eager to be quit. So one man, he doesn't take care, he doesn't take pride in his work. He does it as quickly as possible, and he's careless about his work, and he's eager to go home, he's eager to finish. The other never leaves a task until he's sure of it. Whereas the other worker, this is somebody who always does everything and makes sure that a job is properly done, even if it takes him extra time, even if he uses some of his own free time to make sure that it's properly done. The difference twixt good and bad is not so very much. So the difference between good and bad, there's not much difference between the two. A few more minutes at the task, an extra turn or touch. So to be good, you need maybe just a few minutes extra. The difference is very small. Yeah, an extra turn of the bolt, an extra touch, an extra thing. A final test that all is right. Yeah, so maybe it just needs a quick final test to make sure everything's right, rather than, just leave it, it's all right. And yet the men are very few who seem to think it worth their while, these extra things to do. And he says and even though it's very easy to do this tiny little bit, there are very few people who actually think it's worthwhile. It's something that they should do, because they don't take pride in their work. They don't want to go the extra mile. When time's up, time for me to go home, it doesn't matter. Yeah, whereas they're not taking pride in their work. They're not proud of what they do. The poor man knows as well as does the good man how to work. One takes pride in every task, the other likes to shirk. Now notice this, the poor man, he's not talking about poor in money. And the good man, so this is the difference between somebody who's a good worker and somebody who's not a good worker. One who is poor in their pride, they're a poor worker, and this makes them a poor person, spiritually poor. And the good worker, this is somebody who is spiritually good. And the good worker takes pride in every task he does. Whereas the poor man, the one who is poor in spirit, he likes to shirk, to avoid work, to do as little as possible, or as little as necessary. With just as little as he can, one seeks his pay to earn. So the poor man is somebody who works for their money, but they want to do as little as possible, as little as necessary in order to earn their money. The good man always gives the bolt that clinching extra turn. So the good man always gives the bolt that extra turn that clinches the deal, that makes sure the situation is right, that he makes sure everything is correct. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Clinching the Bolt by Edgar Albert Guest.